Ready to dive into crypto, but wish the process was as simple as swiping your everyday debit card? If you felt that crypto exchanges were too complicated or the wait times for bank transfers were just too long, you are not alone. Getting into the world of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other digital currency should be fast, easy, and secure. And the good news is, on a platform like Coinbase, it absolutely can be. Buying crypto with your debit card is one of the fastest ways to go from fiat to future money. Today, we're going to walk through the exact steps to buy your first crypto using a debit card on Coinbase. Let's get you set up. Step 1. Sign in and check your payment methods. First, sign into your Coinbase account. If you don't have one, pause this video, hit the link below, and set one up. Once you're in, navigate to the Settings or Profile section and look for Payment Methods. You should already have your bank account linked, but we need to make sure your debit card is connected and verified. If it's not there, hit Add a Payment Method, select Debit Card, and input your card details. Coinbase will usually do a small test transaction, which will be immediately refunded, to verify the card. Step 2. Start your purchase. Now for the fun part. Head back to the main dashboard and click the Buy/Sell button. A list of available cryptocurrencies will pop up. Choose the one you want to buy, maybe it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Solana. Step 3. Enter the amount and select your card. Once you've picked your asset, you'll be prompted to enter the amount. You can input the amount in your local currency, like $100, and Coinbase will show you the corresponding crypto amount. This is where you need to check your payment source. Tap on the payment method box and make absolutely sure your debit card is selected. Step 4. Review and confirm. Before you finalize, you'll get a preview order screen. This is the most important step for debit card purchases. Debit card transactions often incur a higher instant purchase fee than bank transfers, sometimes around 3.99%, but the trade-off is speed. Check the total cost, the Coinbase fee, and the final amount of crypto you will receive. If the numbers look good and you're okay with the instant fee for instant access, hit Buy Now. And that's it. Your crypto is purchased instantly and should appear in your portfolio within moments. You've skipped the 3 to 5 day bank transfer wait and are officially in the crypto game. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.